When we start to do 1% better every day, and this is the Einstein's compound interest, over time, for the longest time, we see hardly ever, if you look here, not much is going on. It's a little bit more than it was the day before, and it's a little bit more than it was the day before, but almost so tiny that we don't see anything, to the extent that we could probably give up. But when you don't give up, something happens. And if any of you have children, when your kids were kind of about 1 year old, some kind of switch clicked on in their head and said it's time to walk. How did they do the first day they tried to walk or crawl? How did they do? This is what happened. Practically nothing, right? Nothing happened. Day or two or an hour later, how did they do? Well, practically nothing happened. But they got just a tiny, like an infinitesimally amount better. And day 3, maybe just a tiny bit happened, right? And then a little bit more, a little bit more. And over time, something interesting happens where almost nothing happens, and then suddenly we get to the point of almost exponential growth.